Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest Wantable box to share with you. Now this is my style edit. Wantable's been doing a great job lately. I did peek. You know I can't help myself. There are some awesome pieces in this box as always. We're gonna jump right to the try-on. I do have to say thank you. A few of you did use my link, so I have some credit to spend on this box. So I really appreciate it. And if you used my link, let me know and let me know what you thought of your first box. And let me know which one you got. Did you get the regular style edit? Or did you get the fitness edit? Or both, because you know I do both. And I love them both. All right, let's dig in and see what I got. Okay, first top. This one is by Camuto. This is the short sleeve chiffon animal print top in rich, and then it cuts off. I think it was an extra large. I'll double check the tag. If I'm wrong, I'll put it across the screen. $59 and 95% polyester and 5% elastane. I actually had some olive green shorts on today, so I thought, you know what, let me just keep my olive shorts on with this first top. You can wear animal print with your olive. Good fall look, right? I'm not trying to rush fall. I'm a summer girl, but I think it's a cute look for when we get there. Eventually. Time can slow down a little bit till then. So anyway, I do love this top. I think it's so cute. I love the print. I didn't have to say that, did I? But look at the sleeves. The sleeves are that's the chiffon. Isn't that really pretty? And I said this before, I love a good bell sleeve, flutter sleeve. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna have to keep it. I didn't have to say that either, did I? I really like it. I think the sleeves are so pretty. It is a little bit short, but I could deal with that. It is a little bit pricey though. Maybe I should back up and see. You know what? I'll watch back, I'll see, but yeah, I think this top is staying with me because you can still layer it into the cooler weather. You know, I could wear it now. Ooh, I'm wearing it with my olive shorts, but what about like some red shorts? Black, white, really get a lot of use out of it. Okay, let me show you the back of it. Yeah, I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Loveapella. This is the scoop gather top in white, red, blue print, extra large, $48, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I think the print is really cute. I think it would look really nice with, again, white pants, white shorts, even red. Even if you had like some cobalt blue pants or shorts, I think it would look really cute. I'm on the fence about this top for some reason, and I don't know why yet. But as we talk about it, I may figure out why. And I'm sure some of you will too. I do like the neckline. It is a scoop neckline. It does gather. Maybe it's the gathering that bothers me, because sometimes I feel like when tops gather at the neckline, it looks like they're pulling. You know, that might be what is bothering me about this top. The sleeves are elastic too. That's really not bothering me. I like the length of this top. I think the length is good. I think the fit is great. And I love the colors and the pattern. I think the colors and the pattern are really pretty. What do you think? Something different than floral too, you know? I do have a Loveapella top that I got, I think it was in my last Wantable box or the one before that. And I really love that top. I think they have some really cool prints. Just not sure about this one. I'm gonna watch back. I think it might be the gathering. All right, let me show you the back of this one. So it's cute, and I like it. I just don't love it. So I think I'm gonna pass, but let's try on the next top. Hang on. Okay, so this next top is by the brand West Key. I love that brand too. A lot of good brands in this box. This one is the Sleeveless Floral Woven Knit Wrap Top, and it's an extra large, $48. So the front of this top is 100% polyester, and the top of the back, you'll see when I turn around, it's also 100% polyester, but then part of the back, because it's, I'll show you. Do it now. 95 rayon and 5 spandex. So I think this top is so pretty. I love the West Key blouses. I know I have a lot of floral print, but I feel like with the back having the gray contrast, it makes it a bit unique. What do you think? You know I love my floral print, and I love the background, and I love the bigger florals. Has a little bit of like a light pink, some gray. You know I love the neckline. It's like that faux wrap top. Well, it is a wrap style top, but it is stitched here. It does have an elastic band right here, but the back doesn't. The back comes down a bit longer, which you saw when I turned around. The armholes are great. That's always a plus, right? When the armholes fit nicely. What do you think about this top? I like the cut of this top. Again, this would look nice with your white. Even, you know, I don't have a pair of gray. Oh, no, I do. So even a pair of gray, like work pants, cute spring outfit, or even light pink, but then you could put a cardigan over it. Like, how cute would this be with a light pink cardigan over it? What do you think? I might keep this top. And it looks cute with denim too. It does. I'll show you the back one more time just to make sure that you saw it, okay? So I kind of like the mixed material look. What do you think about it? All right, I've got some more. I think I have some more tops. I do. Hang on, let me change. Okay, there's got to be something wrong here. Ready for this? Look how it looks like a crop top, right? I mean, I have on some high-waisted jeans, so you won't see much. Thank God, right? But, you know, look at the photo. I'm going to show you the photo. It's the top one. I hope you can see that. It looks like it's a bit longer on her. It says I requested this top. I don't remember requesting this top. Now, requesting would mean liking it. Well, not liking it, because I guess you do request it from their stream. I don't remember this top being on the stream, but maybe I did, because I looked through so many clothing boxes, you know, so it could have been. All right, let's talk about it. This is by Z Supply. This is the Muse Dottie Tank in black, extra large, $49, 55% cotton. Oh goodness, I can't remember what the other. Let's see if I can look without, hang on. I could, let's see how I do with this. Can I see it? 45% modal. Okay, that's what it was. Okay, so there are some positives. I love the polka dotted print. I think the polka dots are so fun. I do like the neckline. I like the wrap style. I always struggle though with the modesty snaps. I always feel like they're in the wrong spot for me. It does have a oh, and here we go. Wants to pop right open. Oh, let's fix that. Hang on. So it does have a modesty snap right there where it just popped open, and it does tie. I love the tie at the side. I think it's a really cute look. And like the picture showed, it would look cute with some white bottoms with black too. Is this black? Yeah, this is black. Had to look for a second. So it would look cute with your black bottoms with the denim, but look how cropped this is. And I'm only 5'2". I've said this multiple times before. And so I feel like if you're taller, I don't have a very long torso at all. So I don't know. It's very short. I wish it was a tad bit longer. Even if it was a little bit longer, I like it. I love the cut of it. I love the material, and I love the style of it. I just can't get over the length. All right, let me show you the back of it. Yeah, the back's not much longer, huh? So this is gonna be a no. All right, I've got the bottoms to show you now. Not the ones I have on, I gotta change. I got these in another box, so I'm gonna change my bottoms. I'll be right back. Okay, let's talk about these pants. These are by Jag Jeans. These are the Carter Railroad Stripe Girlfriend and Bleach Wash. Size 16, $94, yikes. So they are very, very comfortable, but I just don't know. So I'd probably call these a mid-rise. I don't know, what do you think about them? They're very different, they're very unique. These are so comfortable. They are so pricey though. And I don't know if I'd pay this much, what were they, $94 for something that's I'm not sure about. So the striping is more of a blue. I will bring them closer and show you in the try-on, or maybe I'll try to come closer so you could see. They did come cuffed. The length is perfect. I don't know though. I just don't know what I'd wear them with. So if you have ideas, let me know. I don't think I'm gonna keep them, but they're very comfortable. Oh, let me just back up. I don't know. They're cute. Can you see the stripe? I'll bring them closer during the recap. So they have pockets. Do they have pockets in the back? Oh, they do. I just don't know. These like stumped me. You know, they sent me, what did they send me? Oh gosh, they sent me a blazer maybe 2 or 3 boxes ago, and it was cute, but I think I tried too hard to like them, and I think I'm trying too hard to like these too. They're super cute. See, they have like some stitching on the bottom on the ankle that you could see. It's like red, kind of giving it like a nautical look. So I guess you could wear it with red and make it more nautical. I'm gonna show you what they look like closer up when I do the recap. I don't know. They're so comfortable. All right, let me change this to the next bottoms. Okay, so the next pair of bottoms I have are leggings. I kind of feel like these belong in an active edit, but that's just me. But if I really like them, I'll keep them. I don't love them, and the fit's a little bit off. I'll talk about that in a second. These are by Theo and Spence. They are the Theo and Spence legging in gray, $48. So, you know, I do like the fit, you know, overall, but they're a little bit long. Can you see how long they are? Hang on. They're bunched at my ankle. Yeah, it'd like cover my whole foot basically. I mean, these would be good for like walking and, you know, exercising and things like that, but I don't know that I'd wear them out, you know, but the fit's great overall, just not on the bottom. And I don't know how I feel about lighter colored leggings for me. I think I'll stick with my black. What do you think? Let me show you the back of them. Here's the side. They are super comfy though. What do you think about them? I think I'm gonna pass on these. All right, I have one more pair of pants to show you, so let me grab those. Okay, so we just tried on some leggings. Now we got some jeggings. These are by Curve Appeal. They are the compression jegging and Aqua, size 16, $68. Oh, somebody's late for the party over here. So I love the color of these. I think the color is so pretty. They do zip and they do button. They're more of a mid-rise, I'd say. And they do fit at the ankle. They're a good length for me, which is always a plus. When I pulled them out of the box, I'm like, oh, first impression, I don't know if I like them. I'm gonna send them back. But I kind of like them. I really like the color of them. They are very comfortable. I mean, I just have it on with the black shirt I had on in the intro, and I think it looks good with that, with some black wedges, some black booties even maybe. But I don't know how much I'd pull for them because I'm not pulling for jeans a lot right now. It's been really hot here. And then when I do pull for jeans, I don't know that I'll pull for this color in the fall. I don't know. So these might sit for a while, and who knows if I'll like them next time. Next spring, I should say. I do think the color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have to watch back and see. Let me show you the side and the back. Here's the side. You let me know what you think too. I'm thinking, I just got a top yesterday from a different box. Hang on, I wanna grab it because I think it might match really nicely. We're gonna try it, hang on. I'm getting ideas now, so one second. Okay, so here's that top that I got yesterday, and I think it matches nicely. Look, there's the color that's in the top is the same color of the jeggings. It matches nicely. What do you think? I know it's a lot of color to pop in your face, but we all need some bright, cheerful colors right now, don't we? Yeah, I really like, I like these two together. I may need to keep these. Some days I want to wear a lot of color, and for those days, this would be a cute outfit, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. And I think it's long enough in the back that I could wear, because they're jegging, so I'd want to wear something a little bit longer. I think they're long enough in the back, or the top's long enough. Let's see. I think it is. What do you think about this outfit? You're going to vote on this. Do we like this outfit or do we not like this outfit? I know it's going to be split. Some of you are going to say I love it, and some of you are going to say I don't. That's all right. We all have different styles. All right, let me change, and oh, that's it. So we're gonna do a recap, so hang on. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was show you the stripe detail of these pants close up. Sometimes I forget, and I'm so sorry. I say, oh, I'll show you during the recap close up, and then I forget. So I'm so sorry. I remembered this time. Look at. So here's the stripe detail. So they are really, really cute. These were so comfortable. I am going to pass because I just don't know that I would pull for them. And because they were $94, I'll find something that's the same style, but probably not as comfortable that I could try, because I feel like these are pretty, I don't know. I think these are pretty cute, and I liked the fit. I just, because I'm not 100% sure, I'm going to pass, okay? Now, there's a couple things that I'm gonna pass on. You already know. I'm just gonna show you the things that, okay, let me show you this top. So this was the West Key top, and I thought I was gonna keep this, but I actually think I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna stay strong. I do not need much more floral. I'm not gonna say any more. I'm gonna say much more because I know that there's gonna be floral print that you're gonna see that I've done in hauls, purchased in hauls, and I'm gonna keep it, or maybe through other boxes, and I'm gonna keep it. So I may need to add more floral. So I'm gonna wait for very special floral pieces to add. I liked this, but I don't know. I just don't know about the back. After, I don't know. I was looking in the mirror, I'm like, oh, that's all right. Maybe I'm wrong. I may regret sending this back, but I'm gonna send it back. I don't need it right now, okay? Now, I know you're probably saying, Kayla, you should say the same thing about the leopard print. But no, I don't want to say the same thing about the leopard print because I feel like this is a unique piece of leopard. I know. I can see the eyes rolling behind the screen. I feel like, you know, it's different because the sleeves, like the chiffon sleeves, it's a short sleeve leopard print, which is different, right? It's got the ruffle sleeve. I like the actual print of it. I'm going to keep it. I know, I'm keeping it. It makes me happy, so I'm keeping it, okay? And I actually think I think I'm gonna keep these two things. I may end up keeping these jeggings, unless I watch back and I really don't care for the fit, like how the fit looks, because sometimes jeggings can look snug, even if they don't feel snug, you know what I mean? I'm gonna keep these unless they don't look flattering. I really love the color. I think the color's so beautiful, isn't it? Let me know what you think, but this isn't gonna go anywhere. I'm sorry. I know. I've got a problem. I've got a denim problem, clearly. But colorful denim is different than, you know, blue denim. And I've got a leopard problem. But hey, it could be worse, right? It could be a lot worse. So anyway, I'm gonna keep these two things. And while I liked the rest of it, I just didn't love it, so it's gonna go back, okay? Let me know what you thought of this box. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.